Objective: to understand and implement remedial strategies for children with intellectual disability. Hello everyone! Today we will discuss remedial strategies for children with intellectual disability. Intellectual disability affects intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior. With structured support, children can make meaningful progress. Our goal is not to change the child, but to adapt teaching methods to meet their learning needs. Principle 1. Individualized instruction. Every child learns at a different pace. Develop an individualized education plan. Set small, achievable goals, focus on functional skills, and monitor progress regularly. Principle 2. Task analysis. Complex tasks should be broken into simple steps. Break big goals into small steps. Watch me first. Instead of teaching brush your teeth, teach. Pick up toothbrush and apply toothpaste. Then, brush front teeth and rinse mouth. Teach one step at a time and practice repeatedly. Now you try. Principle 3. Repetition and practice. Children need frequent repetition and consistent routines across different settings. Use daily drill practice and reinforcement activities. Repetition strengthens memory. Principle 4. Use of visual aids. Visual supports like picture schedules and flashcards improve understanding. Show more, talk less. Use real objects and demonstration videos whenever possible. Principle 5. Multisensory teaching. Engage multiple senses: see, hear, touch, and move. Use counting beads to teach numbers. Learning becomes concrete and meaningful. Academic strategies. For reading, teach sight words and use phonics with pictures. Use story sequencing cards. For writing, use tracing worksheets and provide writing frames. Practice copying and labeling pictures. In mathematics, use real-life objects and teach money concepts practically. Focus on understanding rather than speed. Remediation must include life skills, personal hygiene, dressing, and safety awareness. Functional independence is the goal. Behavior management. Use positive reinforcement and immediate feedback. Encourage success, not punishment. Social skill development. Teach greeting, taking turns, and expressing feelings explicitly through role play. Collaboration. Work with parents, therapists, and administration. Consistency improves outcomes. Monitoring progress is key. Children learn differently, not less. With patience and support, they achieve independence. Thank you. Every small success matters.